Hi, in this video we will talk about the top 3 fruits you should be eating for breakfast to detox kidneys. Detoxifying the kidneys refers to the process of supporting the body's natural ability to eliminate toxins and waste products that can accumulate in the kidneys over time. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering the blood, removing waste products, and regulating fluid balance in the body. However, factors such as poor diet, dehydration, certain medications, and environmental toxins can sometimes overload the kidneys and hinder their optimal function. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for maintaining kidney health and promoting detoxification. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, preventing the formation of kidney stones and supporting optimal kidney function. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, including in the kidneys. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, blueberries can aid in protecting kidney cells from damage and supporting overall kidney health. One common concern for kidney health is the formation of kidney stones, which can be painful and disruptive. Luckily, blueberries come to the rescue. Studies suggest that the compounds found in blueberries, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, may help inhibit the formation of certain types of kidney stones by reducing the crystallization of minerals in the urine. Number 2. Apple. These juicy fruits are loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and protect your kidneys from damage caused by harmful free radicals. By including an apple in your breakfast, you're giving your kidneys the antioxidant support they need to function optimally and flush out toxins. Fiber is essential for maintaining healthy digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, both of which are crucial for kidney detoxification. Luckily, apples are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with both soluble and insoluble fiber content. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and cholesterol, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, aiding in the removal of waste and toxins from the body. Number 3. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are renowned for their high antioxidant content, particularly in the form of polyphenol, such as flavonoids and tannins. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting the kidneys from damage. One of the most significant benefits of pomegranates for kidney health is their ability to help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, the high citric acid content in pomegranates can help increase urine pH levels, making it less favorable for the formation of stones. Number 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, a powerful enzyme renowned for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. This mighty enzyme helps break down proteins and supports the body's natural detoxification processes, including the elimination of toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Number 2. Cherries. Cherries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and quercetin, which have potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting the health of your kidneys. Number 3. Strawberries. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function and detoxification, and strawberries can help you stay hydrated thanks to their high water content. Additionally, strawberries are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, facilitating the elimination of toxins from your body. Number 4. Pomegranates. The high concentration of punicalagins in pomegranates has been shown to reduce the risk of kidney stone formation by preventing the aggregation of crystals in the urine. By incorporating pomegranates into your breakfast routine, you're proactively safeguarding your kidneys against the formation of these pesky stones. Number 5. Watermelon. Beyond its water content, watermelon is also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit kidney health. This fruit is rich in vitamins C and B6, as well as potassium and lycopene, all of which play important roles in supporting kidney function and protecting against oxidative stress. Number 6. Blueberries. Chronic inflammation is often linked to kidney disease and dysfunction, making it essential to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods into your diet. Blueberries are rich in compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. Number 7. Apples. Apples are packed with water content, making them a hydrating choice for your morning meal. By biting into a crisp apple for breakfast, you're not only quenching your thirst but also providing your kidneys with the hydration they need to function optimally and cleanse themselves effectively. Number 8. Grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, resveratrol, and vitamin C, which play a crucial role in protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and supporting overall kidney health. Number 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to promote urinary tract health, which is closely linked to kidney detoxification. These berries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Number 10. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion and helps break down proteins in the body. Proper digestion is essential for optimal kidney function and detoxification, as it ensures the efficient processing and elimination of waste products. By enjoying papaya for breakfast, you're supporting healthy digestion and easing the burden on your kidneys, allowing them to focus on detoxification.